Heber River, a quiet, hidden gem where we spent the night before hitting the road once again. Today, we make our way down Highway 28 towards Gold River, searching for ocean views, hidden gems, and the perfect place to call home for the night. But, as always, Vanlife has its own plans. Sometimes the best moments on the road aren't planned. A roadside waterfall catches my eye, and we pull over for a closer look. With the rain coming down, it's a reminder that nature doesn't wait for the perfect weather. So why should we?
It's quite literally like just on the side of the highway. That is insane. Trying to get run over here. Hop over onto the other side. There's a little trail here. Check it out. And that's as close as I'm getting. Wow. Check out this view, guys. It is quite impressive. That is for sure.
Gold River isn't just about the wilderness, it's a hub of industry. While heavy machinery never stopped moving, it's a whole different kind of rhythm, one that keeps this town alive. Well, we made it to Gold River, but the weather is just not cooperating. Well, I'm not sure what else to do here besides just sit, beside the ocean here. But it's not like we have a beach to go walk down, so we're gonna head back up north. We're gonna grab a little bit of gas because it is a little bit expensive down here, and then we'll go see if we can find a place to go park for tonight, and then we'll just relax in the van. Probably call it quits for tonight. We'll pick it up tomorrow. Let's see what the rest of the day has in store for me. With the ocean behind us, we climb higher into the mountains, but sometimes the best laid plans can easily be changed as soon as I find out this place is day use only. So we push on deeper into the backroads, and then we find it, a hidden dead-end road tucked away from everything, the kind of place you only find by accident. Well, I couldn't help myself. I just came across this, just driving down the road, right beside the wreck site that we were just at, and well, this place is absolutely incredible. The view is just wild. Wow, this is incredible. Let's see if I can get a nice vantage. Can I see the creek from here? No. Can hear it. Can definitely hear it. You can see a piece of Gold River down there, just off in the distance. This is like a little piece of paradise right up in the mountains. We literally climbed 1,000 feet just to get up to the mountains here. Hopefully it doesn't snow. If it does, we'll be fine. As long as it doesn't freeze and turn into ice, that would be a major problem. But I don't think it'll get that cold here. I'm gonna enjoy this little piece of paradise. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it. We're gonna stay here tonight. I'm gonna go watch some TV, hang out. I had a pretty good day today. Hopefully tomorrow will be just as good as today. So hopefully you guys will stick around because I'm gonna go hang out in the van and we'll see you guys in the morning. So it is morning. And it is the next morning, and what a beautiful morning it is. Yesterday, it actually snowed a little bit. You can kind of see a little bit of the snow left over from this morning that melted. Yeah, this whole place was covered just a little bit, not like a ton of snow. But yeah, we're gonna take off, we're gonna get out of here. But I thought I would check out this view before we leave, because it is an amazing little view. Now, I won't be able to see much from this little stump here, but let's throw the drone in the air while it's not raining, and we'll get a few shots of the area before we leave. Because this is definitely an amazing little spot that I almost kind of feel like I should need to stay here just to check to see whether or not we'd actually get enough blue sky to get a good picture of the mountains here, because they are just breathtaking, like amazing. But they're all covered in the clouds because we're literally up in the clouds right now. All right, without further ado, let's hit the road. All right, guys, enjoy the drone footage. We'll see you guys down the road. Morning brings a new surprise. Snow on the mountaintops, a perfect reason to get the drone up in the air for a bird's eye view before we pack up and head down the mountain. Van life is unpredictable. Sometimes you find exactly what you're looking for, other times the road takes you somewhere even better. But one thing's for sure, the adventure never stops. Before heading back to civilization, we make one last stop, Lady Falls. A short hike that leads us through the towering trees, a perfect cascade of water tucked away in the forest.
No way, man. This is so freaking cool. Holy. Whew. That mist, though. That wind. My glasses are completely useless trying to take a photo. But we've actually got a really nice photo. Alright, enough staring at the photo. Check out this falls, guys. This thing is incredible. How can you guys see anything? It's just blurry. Can you guys see all right? Ah, that's a little better. The mist coming off this is just giving me a shower, quite literally. Well, my hands are absolutely frozen. We conquered. It's time to move on. I think it's time to go have a shower, grab some stuff from the store. I'm out of bananas. It's time to head back to civilization. Get some gasoline. And I'm not sure what we're doing yet. I'm not sure whether we're gonna hop the pond and go over to Powell River today or tomorrow. But you guys better hit the subscribe button, hit the like on the video so this video can get pushed out and everybody else who hasn't found my channel can find my channel. With your help, guys. If you guys could do that, that would be amazing. Time for my little stroll down the mountain. It's a little quick 10-minute hike up to Lady Falls here. Glad I checked it out. I saved the trip here on my way back because last time I came through here it was pretty dark, so it was nice to get in here, have a little walk. Sun's finally starting to poke through. That's always nice. It's always nice to see the sun, get a little charge on the solar. All right, get a little vitamin D too. I know that's important too. All right, guys, we'll see you guys down in the van.
With time running out before we leave the island, we roll into Campbell River for a reset, shower, supplies, and a full tank of gas. Well, it's quite interesting meeting people on the road, and they actually recognize your van from a Facebook group photo. That is so awesome. Just ran into a buddy. He's apparently seen me around a couple times down at Raft Trevor Beach, and then he's seen my picture posted on the internet, and now he's finally got to meet me. So that was kind of cool to see and meet people on the road, and it's always one of my highlights of the day, and it always puts a big smile on my face. All right, we're just about done. I got one more quick stop, and then we're gonna call it a night. I went showered, grabbed a few things, and now we're gonna stop at the dollar store, and then we'll see you guys down at probably the Spit Road, probably. All right, guys, we'll see you in a sec. All right, we're down at the Spit, and it's been raining pretty well as soon as I pulled over, and well, it sucks. Oh well. It is what it is, and life moves on. But we're gonna hang out here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my little trip out to Lower Myra Falls. It was a pretty good hike in there. It wasn't too bad. And then we hung out for the day out at wreck site that I found on the side of the highway, and then we moved on, went down to Gold River, checked the whole place out. There wasn't really like a beach that we could go hang out at, which was kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. And then we moved on. We found some awesome place to go spend the night out, and then it snowed. It was pretty crazy waking up to snow on the van this morning. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. See you on the next one. Peace out.